Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Phantom Wallet for Solana NFT marketplaces. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your Phantom Wallet extension in your browser. If you haven't installed the Phantom Wallet, go to the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once the Phantom Wallet is open, make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have a wallet set up yet, follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Now, navigate to the Solana NFT marketplace you wish to access. Click on the Connect Wallet button usually found at the top right of the page. A pop-up will appear prompting you to select your wallet. Choose Phantom from the list of available wallets. After you select Phantom, a connection request will be sent to your wallet for authorization. Open your Phantom Wallet to review the connection request. You will see a prompt asking you to authorize the connection with the marketplace. Read through the details to ensure you are comfortable with the permissions being requested. If everything looks good, click the Connect button. Once you confirm the connection, you will be redirected back to the marketplace. Your Phantom Wallet should now be successfully authorized for the marketplace. You can now browse, buy, or sell Solana NFTs with ease. If you need to disconnect later, return to the same marketplace and look for the wallet settings. In the wallet settings, find the option to disconnect Phantom. Once disconnected, you can reconnect at any time by repeating the earlier steps. Now you're all set to explore the Solana NFT ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.